Animals and nature? Germany animal-friendly country high. Dogs or cats co-familia is Adrikaje at a high. Jan strong animal protection laws hain. Or forests, parks, lakes har city mean, easily miljate hain. Hospitals and healthcare. Germany ka healthcare system world-class high. Hospitals modern or clean hain. Doctors highly trained hain or emergency services fast hain. Health insurance yan compulsory high. People and lifestyle. German law disciplined, polite or punctual hod hain. Hillel thode reserved lodge et hain. Lek and bod mean friendly or helpful hojate hain. Family life or privacy kobo hot importance dijadi high. Culture and daily life. Oktober riffs or Christmas markets Jise festivals famous hain. Football, music, cycling or eco-friendly lifestyle Germany key daily life cause sa hain.
History and culture. Germany has a rich and complex history that stretches back thousands of years, shaping not only Europe but the world. From the era of the Holy Roman Empire to the rise and fall of kingdoms and principalities, Germany's past is reflected in its stunning castles, fortified towns, and historic city centers. Medieval towns such as Heidelberg, Rothenburg ob der Tauber, and Nuremberg transport visitors back in time with their cobblestone streets, ancient walls, and well-preserved architecture. From the era of the Holy Roman Empire to the rise and fall of kingdoms and principalities, Germany's past is reflected in its stunning castles, fortified towns, and historic city centers. Medieval towns such as Heidelberg, Rothenburg ob der Tauber, and Nuremberg transport visitors back in time with their cobblestone streets, ancient walls, and well-preserved architecture.
Switzerland travel guide short script. Switzerland, the land of breathtaking mountains, pristine lakes and charming villages, is a paradise for travelers. From the snow-clad Alps to the serene shores of Lake Geneva, every corner offers stunning views. Cities like Zurich, Geneva, and Lucerne combine modern lifestyle with rich history. Switzerland is famous for its delicious chocolates, world-class cheese, and efficient public transport. Adventure seekers can enjoy skiing, hiking, and paragliding, while nature lovers can explore scenic trails, waterfalls, and lush valleys. Safe, clean, and organized, Switzerland promises an unforgettable travel experience. Switzerland Life and Travel Short Script. Switzerland is clean, safe, and organized. People are friendly, punctual, and love nature. The cities are modern with beautiful buildings, historic streets, and scenic lakes. Delicious Swiss food includes chocolate, cheese, and fresh pastries. Animals are well cared for with